I am humble and deeply honored to be chosen as this year's recipient of the Bernard Masick Distinguished Physician Leadership Award for the Mease Hospitals. Thank you to the Morton Mease Healthcare Foundation for selecting me for this award. I have been fortunate to have spent my entire professional career within the Mease hospital systems. I joined the Mease Clinic in 1987 at a time when Mease Countryside was a small community hospital with very little cardiac services. I have witnessed and participated in the tremendous growth of the Countryside campus and cardiovascular services. I am incredibly grateful to Mease Healthcare for their support and commitment in expanding these services. I am thankful to Mease Healthcare for entrusting me with various positions of leadership, especially as the tenure as Director of the Cardiac Catheterization Laboratories at Mease Hospitals. I also appreciate the support that I have received from Morton Hospital in the development and implementation of the transradial approach for coronary angiography and intervention. The technique of utilizing the artery in the wrist instead of the groin has helped to dramatically reduce the rate of complications from cardiac procedures. Today, the transradial technique is the preferred approach for cardiac catheterizations and coronary interventions. During the Morton Mease partnership and subsequent full merger, I was proud to lead the expansion of cardiac catheterization services at Mease Countryside. This expansion included providing interventional cardiology services, the most important of which was the implementation of the heart attack program known as the STEMI program. The STEMI program is the interventional treatment of heart attack victims 24/7, which requires a coordinated team approach, including paramedics, ER physicians, staff nursing, cath lab team, and interventional cardiologists. Since its implementation, Mease Countryside Hospital has treated over 1,000 heart attack victims and have received the Gold Plus Quality Achievement Award by the American Heart Association. Mease Countryside Hospital is now equipped with 2 state-of-the-art cardiac laboratories, and a third is currently under construction. This expansion to serve North Pinellas, South Pasco, and West Hillsborough counties will not be possible without the resources provided by the Foundation and the community. We all can be very proud of the high-quality cardiovascular services which are now available to our community and Mease hospitals. I'm especially grateful for the assistance, support, and friendship of my colleagues at Clearwater Cardiovascular Consultants, both in Countryside and Clearwater. In particular, Dr. Alan Fernandez for being my long-term partner since 1994, Dr. Mike Williamson and Dr. Paul Phillips, the founders of Clearwater Cardiovascular Consultants, with whom Dr. Fernandez and I merged in 1999. Dr. Bernardo Stein for his leadership of the Morton Hospital Cardiac Catheterization Laboratory, Kathy Healy, our long-term manager. I would also like to express my deep appreciation and love to my wife Monique and our children for the continued support. The list of the prior recipients of this award is truly sobering, and to be included with them is one of the highest honors of my career. Thank you.